In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install ComfyUI on your Windows computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to access this website comfy.org, and then we have to come to this page. From here, we'll find download button is there. Also here, download ComfyUI. I'm going to click here, download, and then the download page of ComfyUI will be appeared. There are a couple of options to download. This is for Windows version of ComfyUI, and this is for Mac version. And if you want portable version, you can also download from this GitHub. If you go there, you can find the GitHub version of ComfyUI, but I'm going to download this version because it's easy to install and maintain. So I'm going to click here, download for Windows, and very shortly it will be opened like this. At first I need to download. I'm going to download it inside this downloads folder, and then I'm going to press the save button. Once the download is finished, then we can double click over there to start the installation. I'm going to click from here. I'm going to double click over there, and very shortly the installation window of ComfyUI will be opened. And here it is asking where I want to install. So this is the location I'm going to install, and here it is showing how much space is required, 518 megabyte, and right now this is the free space available. Then I'm going to press the install button, and very shortly the installer will start installing this ComfyUI and will be finished very shortly. We have to wait till it is finished, and once it is finished, then we'll get the confirmation message that the installation is finished. So here we see that the ComfyUI setup is complete, and here there is a checkbox. You can uncheck it and you can manually run it from here, but I'm not going to uncheck it. Rather, I'm going to click the finish button, and very shortly it will be finished and the ComfyUI will be opened. At first it is giving me this type of message like let Windows and apps access your location. Here it is showing like that. Once the ComfyUI application is open, then it will ask you to choose the hardware setup. For my case, I'm going to choose CPU mode, but if you are interested, then you can choose based on your processor. But for me, I don't have the NVIDIA CUDA or AMD ROCm, this one, so I'm going to use the CPU mode, this one, and then I'm going to press the next button, and very shortly it is asking where it will install the ComfyUI. So here it is showing the documents ComfyUI, this folder. This is my username, and this is the documents folder ComfyUI, and then I'm going to keep unchanged these two things, and then I'm going to press the next button, and very shortly there are two options are there, automatic updates and users matrix. So I'm going to uncheck this thing, I mean turn off this one, because I'm not going to share anything of this data whichever I am using. And then I'm going to press the install button. I'm also going to uncheck this button also, and then I'm going to press the install button, and very shortly you will see installing ComfyUI, and here it is showing setting up Python environment. It is doing everything, like it's setting up the Python environment, all the requirement, whatever we need for this software. We have to wait till it finished. Once everything is done, then we'll see like this type of thing. So here there are different templates, popular use case, utility, getting started, and these are the models you can use with this software. And that's it. In this way we can easily uninstall the ComfyUI, and after that we can add the related model to this environment.